everyone. This is Monica Morgan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be doing a box opening of the Spellbinders card kit of the month for March of 2019. Nobody's paying me to do this. I don't even know the people at Spellbinders. I just like their kits. I've already opened the box and looked through it, so it's not a real opening, but I had to rehearse. So they always give you 10 cards and 10 envelopes, and I like the quality, and I like the fact that they simply do it. You also get an instruction sheet that shows you how to use the cutting dies that are included in the kit, and a couple of projects on the back as well. And then they give you supplies. They always give you foam, adhesives, and double-sided tape, and it's great. It's perfect for a card making kit. And then a lovely stamp set. It looks like the theme this month is kind of succulents, but it's actually relax and enjoy. So, and then you get a paper pack, and I'm not sure of the amount of duplicates, but there's at least 2 of the same pattern there. It might repeat 3 times. I'll let you know on the screen. I love that one. There's some dark ones in there. This pack has a lot of papers that would be really good for masculine cards. That's one of my favorites. I already used that in a card that I've made. Whoa, that is in focus, believe it or not. That actually hurts my eyes. Little birds. Looks like windows and doors, and then stripes and patterns, repeating patterns. Look at that, they're all repeating patterns. More cactuses and more patterns, and that's back to the beginning. So there's 2 of each pattern. That's the ephemera pack, and I'm going to go through that later, piece by piece, and show you what's all in it. I love these butterflies. I have some similar, but they're not vellum. I'm sure I'll be using those. They give you a few sequins this month. And then I haven't looked through this closely, but at a glance, it has a lot of great sentiments for my kind of cards that I can use to encourage people to stay sober, reward them, you know. And then the cutting dies this month make a cactus, and the pot that you put the cactus in, the terrarium, is that what that's called? Relax and enjoy are the word dies in there, and a bunch of layering and fun stuff I'll show you later. And you get 7 pieces of paper. You get, in their paper is kind of textured. And then they remind me of those, I don't know for sure, those Project Life journaling cards. I really don't know what they are. I don't do journaling, so I don't know. But the other day I made a bunch of cards with another journaling card kit, gold and whites, and the leftover ephemera from last month's Spellbinders kit. So I have that video coming out soon. So here's all the ephemera. You get quite a lot. I'm sure I can make more than 10 cards, and you get 2 of each piece. So I tried to organize them in word banners on the left over there. I don't know why I didn't see So Lovely and keep that together. Did you see how I separated that there? Feathers. I mean, your imagination is your limit. You're only limited by your imagination. There's quite a few coffee themed things in there too. A couple of coffee cups right there in the center. So here's how I keep them organized when I'm working with a card kit. I want to eventually I want to be able to reach all of the items handy and see what I have. So I use those little clear plastic trays. I get those at the Dollar Tree here in Las Vegas, Nevada. That's where I'm living. That's where I am. It's where I've been for the last 36 years. 36, yeah. 1983, I came here. Well, that's it for the box opening. I am going to now assemble my first card, and I'm just going to play music because it's pretty self-explanatory. You'll see as I go, and it'll just be fun to watch the process. Enjoy, or relax and enjoy.